This is a lie. We see phrases like these every day on TV and social media. The Earth is suffering. Save the planet. We're told to avoid plastic straws, reduce carbon emissions, and do everything we can to rescue this dying blue world. But if we're being scientifically honest, Earth has never needed humanity's help. The climate crisis we're experiencing today isn't even a cold from the planet's perspective. This isn't a crisis for Earth. It's a crisis for humanity. Today, we'll look at the real catastrophes Earth has survived over the last 4.5 billion years and explore why the phrase, "save the Earth," may be one of humanity's most misleading assumptions. Many people believe climate change will destroy the planet, but there's a fundamental problem with that idea. Humanity worries that if global temperatures rise by 1.5 degrees Celsius or 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, disaster will strike. And for us, that's a legitimate concern. But what about Earth? Ironically, in the context of Earth's long history, we're currently living in a relatively cold period, known as an ice age. During the Cretaceous period, when dinosaurs ruled the planet, Earth's average temperature was more than 10 degrees Celsius warmer than today. There was no permanent ice at the poles, and crocodile-like reptiles swam in Arctic waters. Atmospheric carbon dioxide levels were more than 6 times higher than modern levels. Did Earth collapse? No. Life flourished. Some of the largest and most successful creatures in history thrived during this time. Pterosaurs dominated the skies, birds diversified, and iconic dinosaurs such as Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor roamed the planet. Earth itself doesn't care whether the average temperature is 40 degrees Celsius or minus 50 degrees Celsius. It's a giant ball of rock. Compared to today's climate crisis, Earth has already survived disasters far more extreme. One example is the Snowball Earth event. When the supercontinent Rodinia broke apart, massive geological changes removed greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. As carbon dioxide levels fell, global temperatures dropped. Ice formed at the poles. The more ice that formed, the more sunlight was reflected back into space, a process known as the albedo effect. That cooling created even more ice, which reflected even more sunlight, creating a runaway freeze. Eventually, around 700 million years ago, Earth became a giant snowball. Even the equatorial oceans froze beneath ice sheets up to 2 miles thick. From space, Earth would have looked like a giant white marble. Nearly all life on the planet may have been pushed to the brink of extinction, yet Earth recovered. Volcanoes continued releasing carbon dioxide, warming the atmosphere until the ice melted and the planet thawed itself out. The second example is the worst extinction event in Earth's history, the Permian-Triassic mass extinction, about 252 million years ago. Massive volcanic eruptions in Siberia released enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Global temperatures surged by more than 10 degrees Celsius. Acid rain fell. The oceans became depleted of oxygen. The result was catastrophic. Around 96% of marine species and the majority of life on Earth disappeared. Even a global nuclear war today would struggle to match destruction on that scale. Yet Earth endured, and from that devastation emerged entirely new ecosystems, including the age of the dinosaurs. So, how is today's climate crisis different? The answer is simple: speed. During the Permian extinction, dramatic warming unfolded over tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of years. Humanity, meanwhile, has raised global temperatures by about 1.1 degrees Celsius in just 200 years. That's hundreds of times faster than many natural climate shifts. But here's the crucial point. Even this astonishing rate of change is unlikely to destroy Earth itself. Yes, countless species may fail to adapt. Yes, ecosystems may be devastated. But compared to the 5 great mass extinctions Earth has already survived, this would be just another chapter in a very long story. If humanity disappeared and 5 million years passed, Earth would erase most traces of our civilization and replace them with forests, oceans, and entirely new forms of life. So, what is the real problem? If global temperatures rise by 2 degrees Celsius, Earth won't even notice. But the fragile civilization humanity has built might. Rising seas could threaten coastal cities such as New York, London, and Seoul. Extreme droughts could disrupt food production. Mass migration, conflict, and instability could follow. Humans evolved under remarkably stable conditions. Comfortable temperatures, predictable weather, and reliable food supplies. In many ways, we are far more fragile than the planet beneath our feet. When we reduce emissions or advocate for sustainability, we're not rescuing Earth. We're trying to preserve the conditions that allow us to survive. It's a struggle for our own future. The American comedian George Carlin once said, "The planet is fine. The people are screwed. Earth isn't going anywhere. It will likely remain here for billions of years. The real question is whether humans will still be here with it, or whether future life forms will inherit the world after we're gone." So, perhaps it's time to change our perspective. We're not heroic saviors rescuing the planet. We're a vulnerable species trying not to disappear.